Buongiorno a tutti, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna do a recipe that everybody loves. The shoes, the shoe and the eclair. Let's start preparing the craquelin that is gonna give a crunchiness to our shoe. After we add our dough, that is similar to the sweet pastry, we're gonna spread the dough between two I don't know how to say, but between two sheets of parchment paper, and it needs to be thick as a grain of sugar. Let's spread all our dough and we're gonna leave to rest in the freezer. To create our pate a choux, we're gonna start pouring in our pan milk, water, salt, sugar and butter. Let's warm them up, but be careful to not bring to boil. Once our mix is very hot and the butter is melted, let's remove from the fire and add our flour. Once we add our flour and the mix doesn't look lumpy, let's put back on the stone and let's finish to cook it. Our pate a choux is gonna be ready when it's gonna have this layer on the bottom. So now let's put our dough in our mixing machine with a paddle. So now that the steam has come out, let's add our eggs one by one very slowly. Which is the right consistency for the pate a choux. Your dough has to have a ribbon when you take it out with a spatula. I didn't add the last eggs because it can be the flour that they absorb more water, more liquid, or the eggs can be more liquid than usual. So be careful with your eggs. And now that our choux are ready, let's put on top our craquelin. The recipe of today is done, so now it's a turn to choose between the choux or choux? No. Eclair or choux. Ciao! So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.